and welcome back to day 2 of signing Crown Him Majesty by Chris Tomlin. So yesterday we did have a bit of a tricky day learning those traditional hymn verses of Crown Him with Many Crowns. Today will be simpler, which is always a nice little break, learning both the verse and the bridge of the updated song. So remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there is a link to print out the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so this starts, Majesty, Lord of all. So Majesty, you're going to have your arms here and you're going to shake those fingers going up. Majesty, Majesty, Lord, and L, shoulder down to your hip. And then all, we're going to take a dominant hand and sweep it around our non-dominant hand. So Majesty, Lord of all, let every throne, let. Okay, hands coming out from our hips, let every, and so for every, kind of have your hands in fists, but your thumbs are up just a little bit, every throne. So imagine yourself sitting in that stately chair, hands on the armrests. Okay, let every throne before him. So this is God, and these are all the other guys. Before him, and then fall, we're going to say they're finished. Okay? So hands in, and then flick them out. Done. They're finished. The King of Kings, oh come adore. So for that king, K, shoulder to hip. King, oh come adore. So in the first part, we were talking about God coming from heaven. So we did come from up here, down here. In this case, we're talking about humans coming. So we're going to keep it down on this level. Oh, come adore. Fingers at your jawline and then bringing them down into fists. Ooh, I like him. Adore. Come adore. Our God who reigns. Our, okay, our God, a B down in the middle of your face, who reigns. Okay, so X hand position, kind of holding the reins of a horse. Then forevermore, index finger around, flip it to a Y and push it out. Okay, let's practice that. Majesty, Lord of all, let every throne before him fall. It's gone. Okay, the King of Kings, oh come adore the God who reigns forevermore. One more time before we move on. Majesty, Lord of all, let every throne before him fall. The King of Kings, oh come adore our God who reigns forevermore. Okay, so that's the verse. And now moving on to the bridge. All hail, Redeemer, hail. So we're not going to sign the word all. We're just going to go straight to hail. So that's H's kind of standing up. Hail, hail. Hail, Redeemer, R's, crossing here. Now, if it was just redeemed, we just do R's like this. But because it's Redeemer, redeem, outline of a person. Redeemer, hail, for he has died. Palm up, palm down, and flip them. For me. His praise, clapping towards heaven. And glory, middle finger touching your non-dominant, and then shake your fingers out. Glory shall not fail. Nope. So fist kind of coming out from your chin. Shall not, and then fail. This is a sign that I've had to update, and I've had to relearn my mistake. A V going across your hand. Okay? For a while, I thought it was a K. For a while, I thought it was a single finger. So you guys know I am not a licensed ASL interpreter. I just love worshiping God this way. V, okay? V across your hand. V. That was fail. His praise and glory shall not fail throughout eternity, forever. So that index finger around and then push out a Y. Okay, let's try that from the top. All hail, Redeemer, hail, for he has died for me. His praise and glory shall not fail throughout eternity. One last time. All hail, Redeemer, hail, for he has died for me. His praise and glory shall not fail throughout eternity. And after the bridge, it goes back to the chorus and then repeats the end of the chorus. So practice this as much as you need to. And when you're ready, I'm going to see you in part 3, where we walk through this song from top to bottom. Bye. Therefore, go and make disciples to all the nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, Son, and of the Holy Spirit, and teaching them to obey everything I commanded you. And surely I am with you always, to the very end of the age.